Cooking isn't an exact science, but a little precision goes a long way. With the Etekcity digital kitchen scale, you can fine-tune every ingredient as you experiment with old favorites and new discoveries. The scale's upgraded display, quick unit conversions, and complementary measuring bowl all work together to get the details right, until every meal is perfect.
Etekcity's EK6015 digital kitchen scale is the golden standard for food measurement. Slim and compact, it's easy to store and adds a modern touch to your kitchen. The scale can weigh anything up to 11 pounds, making it the perfect kitchen device for your cooking needs. The EK6015 runs on 2 AAA batteries and has a sleek blue LCD display. It also features a smart tare function. Place any empty container on the scale and press tare to easily remove the container's weight from the scale. Find exact measurements right away. Switch between milliliters for water, milliliters for liquids like milk, ounces, pounds, and grams, all with the push of a button. The milk measurement accounts for liquids that have heavier densities. Use the scale to weigh food, jewelry, even postage. Etekcity's EK6015 digital kitchen scale helps you build on better living.
If you aren't making your meals with a kitchen scale, you're not getting the most accurate measurement for your recipe and your overall nutrition. So let's open up the kitchen scale from Greater Goods and start cooking. You're gonna pull the tab just like it says, all the way across. Ooh, nice splash of green there. And it also looks like we got a card here telling you that this does come with a 5-year warranty and that we're here located in St. Louis, Missouri if you should ever need us. All right, let's go ahead and get the kitchen scale out. Got an extra battery on us. Really simple, clean. That's all you need. And you're gonna pull the tab right there to activate it. All right, so let's make our salad. And I know the exact nutrients that are in it, so I'm using the scale to make sure my recipe is precise. Now it does have a tare or zero function, and I want 50 grams of spinach, and for this scale, it can measure to 1 gram accuracy, which is really great for something light like spinach. This scale that you're looking at is gray, but we have several different styles and colors for you to choose from. All right, so next up, I'm gonna add 50 grams of feta. And another great thing about this scale is it can hold up to 11 pounds. That's the capacity, so you can make some pretty big meals on this thing. 250 grams, chicken in every bite. All right, so everything is in the bowl except for the dressing. So let's go ahead and switch our units. For this one, I wanna switch to milliliters. And I am going to add 10 milliliters of olive oil. All right, I'm gonna add another 10 milliliters of balsamic. Whoa, whoa. Oh, I made a mess all over the screen there and the buttons, and easily cleans up. Wiping it down, it's good to go. Go ahead and add a little fresh squeeze of lemon, just for a little zing there. All right, so I am done with my salad. I'm ready to enjoy it, and I know exactly what went into it. So while I use this scale for meal prep and I just made the salad with it, you might find that you enjoy baking with this scale or maybe making coffee. You can even use it to weigh your mail out. When you're all done, it's thin, which makes it very easy to put away when you're done. Add an essential tool to your home by placing the Greater Goods kitchen scale in your cart. And to see how Greater Goods is giving back with purchases like the kitchen scale, check out our latest charity project. Thanks for watching, and remember to live thoughtfully. Get after the salad. There's lunchtime.
Getting and staying fit has never been easier. INEVIFIT has made it convenient to take control of your nutrition with the use of their all-new kitchen scale. Now you will be able to easily meal prep and cook your favorite recipes while knowing the exact amount of food that you are enjoying. We have used a higher capacity sensor to weight items up to 6 kilograms by 1 gram divisions, and upgraded the large backlit LCD display to allow for easy reading. The best part is that the tare button will allow you to get the net weight of the items, and the unit conversion button can be used to quickly change the unit of measurement being displayed. We strive to provide customers with the ultimate INEVIFIT experience. No more excuses. Taking control of your nutrition is literally this simple.